Here I have this dual camera dash cam. So this is the front cam, which is the bigger one, the rear camera, the cable that you run from this camera to the rear camera. It has extra adhesives, the little hooks, the power cable. It comes with the 128 gigabyte memory card, which and the loop recording, you could put it as 1 minute, which is default, so it just stays there. You could change it to 3 or 5. So if you wanted to record 5 minutes, it'll loop every 5 minutes on the SD card. Everything that it comes with, all this stuff, this little trimming tool is when you run the wire, so you could hide it in between the plastic and the material in the car, the little cracks, the memory card. It has 2 extra stickers, the stickers which go right here. So there you go. And what I like about it too, even on the instructions, but here you could see it says rear, so that's the cable for the rear camera. There's the SD card already in there, the camera, and this thing has GPS also. I was reading it, says it has GPS, so I need to look into that. The power cable, where did I see it? Right there, it says power. So yeah, and so this is the little tool, the orange one that I showed you, this one. So you run it in between the little cracks, so it could stay nice and neat, however you want to run it. And just so you know, these cameras are not waterproof, so this is recommended to put inside, not outside. So you put it inside your back glass. And let's go ahead and set that up. I forgot to mention there's an app, so you could check out all your recordings on the app for Android or iPhone. That's pretty awesome. All right, I plugged in the camera just to see how it looks, and the picture is really good. Look at that. And the cool thing about the plug, the cigarette lighter, it has a USB, so you could go ahead and still connect stuff to it. The camera, the quality is really nice. I'm about to stick it on my windshield, but before you do that, you need to put this sticker on there. So put this sticker on your windshield, and then you stick the adhesive to this. So let's do that. So this little piece on the top with the adhesive, it slides off. So you can see right there, it says lock and unlock. So you can slide it completely off. So you can stick this directly. You see this little sticker right there? So I'm gonna stick this here, right in the center. The cable for the rear camera has instructions. So this side, bended side, it says connect to front camera. And this one, the straight one, says connect to rear camera. I thought that's pretty cool. So this little tool is awesome. I just connected the wire from my rear camera. And I just put this in right here, and it lifts it up. So the wire slides in right easy. Look at how easy that is. So yeah, awesome little tool. The back camera, so I put the little clear film. Here's the cord I'm about to stick on the camera, but you see, I ran the wire through there. And then in here, and I ran it all the way down on the driver's side. So some parts I gotta clean up a little bit, but for the most part, it's pretty nice and tucked away. So really happy with this camera system. You push the bottom button and it flips it. Right now it's the front. You press it, it flips it to the back. You could barely see it, but that's my garage. I have my garage door open. The camera is back there. I put it right in the middle. So really happy with this. I could clean up these wires a little bit, put them together, zip tie them, but for the most part, I ran it under my cover, put it in right here, ran it all the way across. This one I could clean up a little bit more, but I just did it for now, but the rest looks good. So I downloaded the app. Let's turn on the car so the camera could turn on, and let's add the camera. So it has step-by-step. So let's add the camera, press next. You connect it to the Wi-Fi. So let me do that. Wi-Fi you're gonna click is right there, the GKU. Instructions are in the manual, page 5. The password is right there, 1 through 8. So that's my back camera. So you could take pictures.
Picture success.
That's pretty cool. The little camera down here to pause it, and to flip the camera is right there. So now you can see the front. That's really awesome that you could have your camera on your phone, on your app, your card camera. You don't have to take out the SD card, you have it all on your phone. That's awesome. And the GPS is right here, you could see it. You push the little map and it shows you there how fast you're going and where you are. So that's awesome that the camera has GPS also. So here's the camera file, the videos, and it's pretty nice. It separates it by date, and then also in each video it has the time. So like at the top it says today.